Hi, I'm Tinny from Mini Bull Design, and this is my 4th of July cannon that I fire once a year on the 4th of July. It's made from a piece of 2-inch heavy wall conduit with a cap in the end that's been turned out for the fuse and been pressed in and then welded. Then the whole thing has a piece of 4-inch irrigation plastic pipe over it, and then the distance between the two is filled with plaster of Paris. I've never had any trouble with it. I used to fire a projectile out of it made out of an energy drink can filled with cement, but I don't see any point in that since we're just trying to make noise here. So now I just put in 1/4 of a cup of Pyrodex. I'm using an 8-inch waterproof fuse, and I just fill it with wadded newspapers. So, needless to say, I'm not going to hang around while this goes off because it's pretty traumatic. So, I'm going to light this fuse, and then I'm out of here. Looks like next year may require a little bit of work before I fire it again because it took the whole back out of the casing this time. So, I'm Tinny from Mini Bull Design. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, be careful and have a really great day. Bye-bye.